I will show you what type of business this is, how to create such a business, and examples of people who have earned more than $100,000 with this business. I was sitting at home thinking about how to help more people generate passive income with AI. After scrolling and looking for articles about the most famous AI tools and waiting for the brilliant idea to come in, I thought, why not create a video about how those who write these articles earn money online? Can't we do similar business with the help of AI? After some research, I was very impressed with the amount of money a blog can generate. Let me show you. This blog has generated more than $49,000, and this one has generated more than $100,000 in passive income. You may be thinking, I'm not a skilled writer. How can I come up with content for my blog? Well, the great news is that you don't have to be an expert writer. We all have a particular niche of interest or expertise, and with the help of AI, you can turn your passion into passive income. The first step is to create a website. I recommend using WordPress, as it's the best platform for blogs and offers a wide variety of plugins. Also, we need a good design. You can choose from the WordPress available themes, or you can use a builder like Elementor. But how will a website rank for Google and reach organic traffic? We need to find low competition keywords with a high volume of searches. For our research, we will use SEMrush. We open a SEMrush keyword researcher and start with simple words that can get us some traffic. Let's try the word drone. As you can see, there is quite a lot of traffic, and it will be very difficult to rank for this word because there is a lot of competition. But here comes the phrase, how far can a drone fly? We can choose this phrase for our article because this keyword has low competition, and websites that write articles for this keyword have low authority and a few backlinks. That's why we can outrank them more easily. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please make sure to hit the like button. We can proceed with writing the article. We will use the copyai tool that can write our blog post from scratch. We open copyai and ask to generate a title for our article. Then click on Tools and start the blog wizard. All we have to do is copy the title and keywords we already have. We can choose between different tones. I will choose friendly. After that, it can modify your text in every step and provide even more value to your customer. I will proceed with the original one, and yes, it's that easy. But how did Google react to this AI-generated articles? According to official data, Google currently has no issue with these kinds of articles. Since we are looking at this business in the long term, we will check the article on writer.com to see if the article is generated by AI. As you can see, it says that this article is 100% human-generated. And that's perfect, but for good-looking article we need a good images. I will use Midjourney as I found that is one of the best tools. We simply enter / then imagine and our keyword. As you can see, it generates images immediately, and you can experiment with different prompts to generate better images. I will put a link in the description on how to work with Midjourney. Then it's time to set up our first article. We can easily copy and paste all of the information we've got and format it directly in the WordPress editor. To format correctly our article for search engine optimization, we need a Rank Math plugin. This plugin suggests how to optimize our article to rank on Google for the specified keyword. Also, it helps us with what kind of headings we will put in our article, how we'll appear in search results, and much more. And here is the best part. Monetization. How do bloggers make money? Bloggers earns money with affiliate links, Google AdSense, and selling personal courses or products. For this article, I'll be using Amazon affiliates. I will pick up 5 long-distance fly drones and I will import them in my article. So if somebody clicks on the links and make a purchase, I will generate passive income. Blogging is a challenging business that requires a lot of effort and patience to generate income and good amount of articles, but with the help of AI tools, you can speed up the process and move closer to achieving your dream of passive income.